to share the exact reading list that billionaires like Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, and Mark Cuban credit for their success. These aren't feel-good motivational books that leave you pumped up but broke. These are the tactical guides that reveal the actual systems wealthy people use to build and multiply their money. Before we dive in, let me ask you something. How many books did you read last year about making money? If you're like most people, the answer is probably 0, or maybe 1. But here's what's fascinating. The average millionaire reads 52 books per year, and most of them aren't fiction. They're constantly feeding their minds with new strategies, different perspectives, and proven systems for building wealth. The first book that needs to be on your shelf is Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. Now, you might be thinking everyone talks about this book, but there's a reason it's sold over 40 million copies worldwide. This book will completely rewire how you think about money, assets, and liabilities. Kiyosaki breaks down why traditional financial advice keeps people poor, and reveals the mindset shift that separates the wealthy from everyone else. The core concept about assets putting money in your pocket versus liabilities taking money out will change every financial decision you make going forward. Next up is The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas Stanley and William Danko. This book shattered every assumption I had about wealthy people. Through extensive research on actual millionaires, the authors reveal that most wealthy individuals don't live the flashy lifestyle you see on social media. They drive used cars, live in modest homes, and focus on building wealth instead of looking wealthy. This book teaches you the specific habits and behaviors that separate millionaires from high-income earners who are actually broke. The third book is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. Despite being written decades ago, this remains one of the most powerful books ever written about wealth building. Hill interviewed over 500 successful people, including Andrew Carnegie and Henry Ford, to understand the common principles behind their success. The book reveals the mental frameworks and psychological strategies that wealthy people use to turn their thoughts into financial reality. Number 4 is The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This is Warren Buffett's favorite book, and he calls Graham his mentor. This book teaches you how to think like an investor rather than a speculator. Graham breaks down the principles of value investing and shows you how to build long-term wealth through smart stock market investments. The concepts in this book have created more millionaires through investing than any other single resource. The fifth book is Cashflow Quadrant, also by Robert Kiyosaki. While Rich Dad, Poor Dad changes your mindset, Cashflow Quadrant shows you the actual path to financial freedom. Kiyosaki breaks down 4 different ways people make money: as employees, self-employed individuals, business owners, and investors. He explains why only 2 of these quadrants create true wealth and how to transition from one side to the other. Book number 6 is The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferriss. This book revolutionizes how you think about work, time, and lifestyle design. Ferriss shows you how to create automated income streams and build businesses that don't require your constant presence. The principles in this book have helped thousands of people create location-independent income and achieve financial freedom much faster than traditional career paths. The 7th book is Secrets of the Millionaire Mind by Harv Eker. Eker focuses on the psychological and emotional relationship you have with money. He identifies specific thought patterns and beliefs that keep people broke and provides practical exercises to reprogram your mind for wealth. This book addresses the internal barriers that sabotage financial success even when people know what to do. Number 8 is The Lean Startup by Ries. If you're interested in building a business, this book is essential. Ries provides a scientific approach to creating successful businesses by testing ideas quickly and cheaply before investing significant time and money. The methodology has been used to build billion-dollar companies and can help you avoid the costly mistakes that kill most startups. The 9th book is Your Money or Your Life by Vicki and Joe Dominguez. This book takes a different approach to wealth building by focusing on the relationship between money, time, and life satisfaction. The authors provide a step-by-step program for achieving financial independence by understanding your true hourly wage and optimizing your spending based on your actual values and priorities. Book number 10 is The One Thing by Gary Keller. While not exclusively about money, this book teaches the focusing principle that allows successful people to achieve extraordinary results. Keller shows you how to identify the single most important activity that will drive your financial success and how to organize your life around that priority. The concepts in this book help you avoid the scattered approach that keeps most people mediocre. The final book is Unshakeable by Tony Robbins. Robbins interviewed some of the world's most successful investors to understand their strategies for building and protecting wealth. This book provides practical advice for investing in any economic environment and reveals the psychological traps that cause most people to lose money in the markets. Now, here's the critical part that most people miss. Reading these books won't make you wealthy by itself. The magic happens when you implement the strategies consistently over time. Each book should be followed by immediate action. After reading Rich Dad Poor Dad, start tracking your assets and liabilities. After The Intelligent Investor, open an investment account and begin building a portfolio. I recommend reading one book per month and spending the rest of that month implementing what you learned. This approach ensures you're building wealth-creating habits while continuing to expand your knowledge. Many people make the mistake of reading book after book without taking action, which is just expensive entertainment. Create a reading schedule and stick to it. Set aside 30 minutes each day for reading, preferably in the morning when your mind is fresh. Take notes, highlight important passages, and regularly review the concepts until they become part of your thinking process. These 11 books represent centuries of combined wisdom from people who've actually built significant wealth. They've been tested in real markets, during economic downturns, and across different time periods. The strategies they contain work regardless of your current financial situation, education level, or background. Your financial transformation starts with the very next book you choose to read. While others are scrolling through social media or watching television, you'll be investing in the most important asset you have, your mind. The knowledge in these books has the power to change not just your bank account, but your entire life trajectory. Which book will you start with? Let me know in the comments below, and if this video helped you create your reading list, make sure to subscribe for more content that can accelerate your path to financial freedom.